welcome back to the Morning Blend. Tomorrow we celebrate our nation's birthday with barbecues, fireworks, and for a lot of folks, fun on Lake Mead. But with the sun, the heat, and the outdoor cooking comes extra safety precautions and concerns.
That's right. Here with tips on how to stay healthy during your holiday celebrations is Dr. Brian Earley with Healthcare Partners Medical Group, Boulder City Clinic. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi. Good. Good.
So tell me, what are some of the common health and safety concerns that you see during July 4th and other big summer outings?
First and foremost, I would say is to pay attention to children and seniors in the summer heat.
Yeah.
Children often don't recognize the signs and symptoms of dehydration,
yeah.
And especially if they're playing, they're having fun, that sort of thing. Also, seniors can be more susceptible to the heat. Oftentimes they'll take medications that limit their body's ability to regulate their body temperature as well.
So you're talking kids and seniors who are vulnerable and at high risk for sun exposure. So what are you supposed to do? What can you do?
Well, first and foremost, you want to avoid the sun exposure with sunscreens with a good high SPF. I would recommend at least a 30 in the desert sun. If you do get sunburn, a cool bath, aloe vera, and a hypoallergenic lotion can help relieve the symptoms.
Now I need you to clear up something for me. I've been wondering whether or not this is true or it's just fakery that's been passed on throughout the ages. Do you really have to wait 30 minutes after you've eaten to take a dip?
No. Well, it is true that blood is diverted to your stomach after a big meal.
Yeah.
There's still plenty of blood available to keep all the other parts of your body functioning just fine.
All right, good.
That's good to know.
All right, I can go right now.
Yeah, exactly. Well, what about alcohol and swimming? Do the two not mix?
Right. Swimming after drinking alcohol is certainly dangerous, and if you are drinking, you should stay on dry land.
No question. We also have to be careful about the kids around the pool, wouldn't we?
Absolutely. Kids should never be left unattended. Fencing around the pools is always a good idea as well.
Now, I am half Irish. The ability for me to tan, not very good. If I do get a sunburn, how do I treat it? What should I do?
Right. Again, you know, a cool bath is a good idea. Aloe vera. And lotion can help alleviate the symptoms, and a good high SPF lotion applied on a regular basis to prevent the sunburn in the first place.
Is there a certain number of SPF where it doesn't really matter once you get past that number?
You know, I think at least a 30 in the desert. Children often is 50 or more recommended.
And then what about clothing? Should we stay away from the dark clothing and wear lighter clothing, or should we actually wear lighter clothing and not darker clothing for reflective properties?
Right. The white clothing can help reflect the sun somewhat. You'll feel more hot in the black. And of course, hats, visors, anything like that keeps the sun off your skin can be beneficial to prevent burn.
So what are the rules for hydrating yourself? What drinks should we be drinking to hydrate? What drinks should we not be drinking to hydrate?
Any sort of non-caffeinated, non-alcoholic beverage is a good choice to help prevent dehydration.
Water, Gatorade.
How much water a day? Is it on your body size, on your weight? How do you determine that?
There are a lot of different factors. In general, between 1 and 2 quarts a day, more if you're having that heat exposure.
No question. And any other tips for us before we start hitting the fun in the sun?
Well, again, most important is to stay well hydrated, limit your alcohol intake, and just be cautious with those fireworks.
And what about wearing a hat? Do you recommend that? Sometimes you look goofy, but you know, if it protects you.
No, absolutely. It does keep the sun off the face and helps prevent those sunburns in the first place again.
And you won't look goofy if it's not a Yankee hat. Don't worry about it. Where are you located, really quick?
I'm in Boulder City, Nevada, 1297 Nevada Highway, Suite A.
I passed you on the way back from the Grand Canyon this week.
All right, and just really quickly, Doctor, when is the sun the hottest? What time of the day?
I would say peaks around 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock is when we're hottest.
All right, so be forewarned. It's a pleasure. Doctor, thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Earley's office is located on Nevada Highway in Boulder City. For more information on Healthcare Partners Medical Group, call the number or check out the website on your screen. Still ahead.